Hey everybody, my name is Stauman, and in this video I will show you how to enable, disable and change keys for your Steam overlay. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam, then just go to left top corner to Steam and click here on settings. When you're right here, you want to click on in-game and you're gonna see right here. So if you want to disable Steam overlay, just click here, unclick so it is not like the mark here. Then you get like overlay shortcut keys that you can press by shift tab, and then you get like screenshot shortcut keys that you get like shift control and F11. So you can also change it to other, or you can just delete it. Also, that's really up to you what you choose. But this is pretty much how we do it, and it's like really simple. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support. You know how it works. So have a great day and goodbye.